find out how each type of truck can make your life easier. From the different types of trucks available, there's sure to be something that can make your life a whole lot easier. Want to haul around large items with ease? Pickup trucks are the perfect choice for you. Need cargo space to transport goods during business operations? Then, box trucks and vans are the way to go. Are you looking for an affordable option with plenty of power? Go with a flatbed truck. Whatever size and type of truck you're looking for, there's sure to be something that can make your day-to-day life much more convenient. Let's discover more about these different types of trucks. Pickup trucks are perfect for hauling large items like furniture or outdoor equipment. Their extra storage space in the back makes transporting items a breeze. Plus, most pickup trucks come with four-wheel drive, perfect for off-roading adventures. Box trucks and vans are great options for businesses transporting goods. With plenty of cargo space, you can easily store boxes full of supplies or products inside the truck without worrying about leaving anything behind. Flatbed trucks are a great choice if you're looking for an affordable option with plenty of power. Flatbeds are perfect for hauling large or bulky items and tend to be more durable than other types of trucks. Plus, they don't require much maintenance, making them an ideal option for long-term use. Light trucks are another great option if you're looking for something small and easy to maneuver. These trucks can be used for a variety of tasks, from transporting furniture to hauling landscaping equipment. Plus, they tend to be more fuel efficient than other types of trucks, so you won't have to worry about skyrocketing gas prices. No matter what type of truck you're looking for, there's sure to be something that can make your life easier. Pickup trucks, vans, and flatbeds are all great options for transporting goods or hauling items around. To discover being a freight broker, check out our previous video.